Hi everyone, I'm Allison Cochran, your Teen Services Librarian, and today I'm going to show you how to make seashell frames. Now all you need for this is a frame, some glue, and seashells. I'll show you what I'm doing. If you have got the kit from the library, what you're going to do first is you're going to see these little tabs here. You're going to open them up. You can just fold them up with your thumb. And take the back out. And you're going to push that little plexiglass piece out. This is going to keep you from getting glue on the plexiglass. If you didn't get the kit from the library, if you're using a frame that you may have bought online or at the dollar store, I would recommend putting a piece of paper over the glass. What you're going to do first is decide how you want your shells to be on your frame. So I'm just going to do that by placing them around the edge to see what I like. Now I have my frame on a glass. That's just to protect the surface that I'm working on so I don't get glue on it. It doesn't matter really what order, how you put your shells on. Everyone who took the frames from the library got all different shells in their kits. Do it in a way that you think looks nice. Or if you didn't get your kit from the library, you got your shells from the beach or whatever. Every frame is going to look different, and that's okay. That's what makes this craft sort of fun and unique. Alright, so I am happy with how that looks. And like I said, you don't have to do it all the way around the edge like I did. That's just one suggestion. I'm going to work with this one side at a time. So I'm going to do this top side so you guys can see. I'm going to take all the shells off in the order that I put them in so that they're lined up with the order that I want them in, and just draw a line of glue across where those shells were. And I'm running low on glue, but that's okay. I have more glue, hot glue sticks over here that I could use. And once I have that glue, I'm just going to put the shells right back on. More glue there. Now I'm using hot glue. If you've seen any of my other craft videos, you know that this is just what I have available to me at my home. Any kind of liquid glue is going to work for this. And that's it. You just do that on each side of your frame to glue the shells on. Alright, so I repeated the process of gluing shells on each side. I let my seashell frame dry and took off all the excess glue. That's basically it. All you need to do now is put the glass back into the frame if you have a picture now would be the time to put a picture into the frame. I don't have one right now, but I'll save it for later. Put the backing back in the frame and close it up. I'll show you what I'm doing. I'm just pushing these little metal pieces down with my fingers. And that's it. You have a seashell frame to frame any beach adventures or any other pictures that you want to show off. Now, I looked online. Frames like this can cost $10 or more. You just made it for free. I even found one that cost over $100, which I think is insane, especially when you can just make it yourself, either with the free kit that you got at the library or for a couple of bucks of supplies that you buy at the dollar store. I hope you enjoy your frame and have fun either selling it or putting your own beach or any pictures you want in it.